Hello dear children, Total English of class 9 ICSE 2001-2022. Yes, today we are going to solve practice paper number 3 of class 9. You can take out your page number 64 and 65. We will solve the exercises which are given on page number 64 and 65. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. So before I start, let me tell you one thing, that which are the three words which I like the most. The three words that I like the most are like, subscribe and share. Yes, that I want you to do. Okay, now let's begin our class today, children. At first, question number 5A. Stroke is a dash medical emergency which dash immediate management and attention to restore circulation in the blocked vessels. Okay, so here it is given in inverted commas, children. So in inverted comma as it is given, so you should know that it will go in present tense. So stroke is a devastating medical emergency which requires, okay, answers I have written on the blackboard, children, so you can see, which requires immediate management and attention to restore circulation in the blocked vessels. The Indian Stroke Association ISA has launched Stroke SOS app which aims at helping stroke patients in an emergency situations. The app will help facilitate patients as well as caretakers find the nearest listed hospital which specializes in stroke treatment and request them for assistance. So you can see answers are written. Second answer is launched. Third one is aims. And then fourth one helping. Fifth one nearest. And sixth one assistance. After this, the user will be able to navigate the selected hospital with maps directly from the application. It will help healthcare providers in giving a customized rehabilitation process. After this, exercise B, fill in the blanks with an appropriate word. Okay, in this what you have to fill? You have to fill the correct preposition. Correct preposition, or you have to fill according to the phrasal verb. Okay, so it is very important, children. So when you fill such kind of blanks, so there you should understand whether this sentence is given with simple preposition or it is having phrasal verb. So you should keep on learning. You should keep on revising the phrasal verb meanings. Okay, so let's begin. First one, recently there has been a small reduction dash the price of petrol. So there has been a small reduction in the price of petrol. I have written answers on the blackboard. So first one is N. Second, he is not cut dash for this job. He is not cut out for this job. Now you can see that cut out is there. So cut is a verb, out is a preposition. So together it becomes a phrasal verb. Okay, what is phrasal verb? That when a preposition comes with a verb, that is called phrasal verb. And the meaning of phrasal verb cut out is not separated. That is, he is not cut out for this job. That is, he is not separated for this job. Then third one, he did not comply dash the wishes of his father. So he did not comply with the wishes of his father. Now comply with. Now what is the meaning of comply with? Comply with means that is to act something to the request or wishes. Okay. Then question number 4. I have set dash sufficient time for revision. I have set aside. Okay, I have set aside sufficient time for revision. Set aside means that is I have kept sufficient time for revision. Then she reconciled herself dash her fate. She reconciled herself to her fate. Okay, so with reconcile we can use to also and with as well. Next one, for want of funds our scheme fell dash. Our scheme fell down. Question number 6. So what is the meaning of fell down? Fell down is a phrasal verb which means collapse, that is failed. So here it is, for wants of funds our scheme fell down. That is as because of the insufficient funds they could not complete their scheme. Then 7th one, you should not interfere dash my work. You should not interfere in my work. Simple preposition. Then 8, we hope that the patients will pull dash, will pull through. Okay, what is the meaning of pull through? Pull through is again a phrasal verb which means to recover. That patients will recover. So you can see the answers on the blackboard. First one is in, then out, with, aside, to, down, in and through. Okay children. Now exercise 3. Questions are given in your Total English book. You can see there. You have to join the sentences without using and, but, so. The first question given is, some friends are good, they are trusted by us. So how you can join it? Some friends are trusted by us because they are good. Okay, that is the reason you can give. Second one, this flat is very small, all of us can't live here. So how you can join it? This flat is too small, T-double-O. This flat is too small for us to live. Third one, Milton was a great poet. He wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost. So very easy sentence to combine. This we have learnt earlier also in class 8 children, that Milton, comma, who wrote the epic poem Paradise Lost, comma, was a great poet. Okay. Then question number 4. He felt pity for the poor man. He gave him some money. What will be answer of this? He gave some money to the poor man because he felt pity on him. Understood children? Then after this exercise D, 2 as directed questions we will discuss. So the first question given is, she won many laurels, yet she is always down to earth. You have to begin with no matter. So no matter, she won many laurels, comma, yet she is always down to earth. Second one, you may give him any piece of advice, nevertheless, he will not work any harder. You have to use however in your answer. Okay. Now what is the meaning of nevertheless children? Nevertheless means that is otherwise, you can say. So here, what will be answer of this? That you may give him any piece of advice, comma, however, he will not work any harder. Question number 3. She agreed to attend the meeting only after much persuasion. You have to begin your answer with only. So only after much persuasion she agreed to attend the meeting. Next one, question number 4. You will not go to play unless you finish your homework. So you have to begin your answer with not until. So not until you finish your homework, comma, you will not go to play. Question number 5. You should better seek the doctor's advice, Jane, Harry said. So this is from direct to indirect. So you have to begin with Harry suggested. So Harry suggested Jane that she should better seek the doctor's advice. Question number 6. He is said to have been in the Indian hockey team. You have to begin with people. So this is from active to passive, children. Okay. So in passive it is given, you have to change into active voice. So people said him to have been in the Indian hockey team. Question number 7. How careless of me to misplace my passport. So it is exclamatory sentence. You have to change that into assertive. So it was careless of me to misplace my passport. Last one, question number 8. Join me for lunch on Sunday, she said to us. And you have to use invited in your answer. So again it is from direct to indirect, children. So it will be she invited us to join her for lunch on Sunday. Okay, I hope answers are clear, children, of practice paper number 3 of Total English. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.